We're hearing weird alien noises outside. Like music and static noise. That was cat. Can you hear beeping? Like
Yeah, in a rhythm.
Yeah. That's the cat. I can hear things.
See, that's a car.
I want to see if it picks it up on my phone.
That's what it sounds like.
You know, going dee-dee-dee. Can you hear that really tiny little noise going dee-dee-dee?
That's what it sounds like to me. It sounds like a car,
I
but in
can
distance,
hear
but never
it.
coming.
You're going to have to let her in because she's going to keep crying.
No, she's not coming in.
I know, but she's going to keep picking it up on recording. Can you hear her whistling? You hear that whistling? Like that. What the fuck was that fucking singing though? I hate singing.
That's Static.
It was Static.
Way too fucking
Was singing and it was
Wheels
clear
on,
as day
Wheels on
that I
fire.
sang the fucking song. This is eerie. You hear that noise? Ooh! Look, that's really... Is it aliens? Imagine we see a UFO. That'd be fucking ace. Holy shit!
That's it again.
Oh my
That's
god!
Static.
Can you hear that, everyone? Holy fuck!
Okay.
Talking. That's loud. It's come out of nowhere again.
That's what I heard.
And I heard the music.
I heard it all,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then the music, I heard the singing, and then it cut out. Just stopped dead. And it was that song, Wheels on Fire.
Sounds like a car, but it's not.
It's loud. It's coming from different areas. Like left and right real quick. Are you getting that?
Yeah, left and right.
Yeah, like 1 minute left now. Right now.
Is it pinging a signal back to
I
you?
don't know. I said about aliens and then it started doing it. It's like 2 in the morning.
What the fuck is that?
This is 2 in the morning, right, everyone?
playing?
And it's fucking weird as shit. Oh, it stopped! It's done it again, hasn't it? Oh,
The fuck is it?
I don't know. I was reading online that it was about alien messages. What the fuck? About Static.
That's too
But
long.
last time I heard that singing with it.
I mean, I never heard
Wheels
music
on
either.
Fire, the absolutely fabulous theme tune.
I never hear
Why would I
Static.
hear that as well? Stop now. If there's aliens, do that noise again. Do the static noise. That was fucked up because I said it and it did it.
If it'll play that fucking song again.
If it plays that song, that's my cat, everybody. If they play that song again with that static, can you give us static with a song? Can you give me the song again? Wheels on Fire, rolling down the road. And that was it. Just went off dead like that with that static. People, if I put this on TikTok, they'll be like, well, fuck's this shit. It's just a noise. But it's like, nah. It's fucking weird. We're
It's
just...
loud.
It's like, what time is it? Hold on.
It's 1:30.
It's 1:30 in the morning. And he was just having a fag. And I heard it because he went, come and listen. And he did. And I did. And that's when I heard the static and the fucking singing. And now it's just dead again, innit?
Yeah, it's really fucking long to the point you think you're not tripping it. I
And then
thought
we googled it, didn't we? It said alien messages, and fucking I
Really
googled it, YouTubed it, and other people have had it as well, haven't they? I want to wait now, see if it does it. I was like, if there's aliens, sure. And it went, shh. The fuck? Hello, aliens. Can you hear us?
Jesus.
Fuck knows, but that's happened twice now. And we got it on fucking film. We've got it. It's proper weird. That's like so strange that we've heard it twice now.
Oh, that music would be pure
One
static.
with just pure static, and the first one was
That's not like
fucking weird. It was eerie with that music. Clear as day. I want to know if it does it again with music. I want to know.
Different music, different songs.
Yeah, imagine. Oh Christ, imagine the song. It's the end of the world as we know it. Because I was looking at the lyrics with the wheels on fire, rolling down the road, this will shall explode. Shit, the cat's got in. Ah, fuck, the cat's in.